Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 645 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. First we need to press and hold the up button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, use the down button to scroll down and select the alarm clock option. Then press the start button to enter. And here we have this big add alarm button. Press the start button to continue. And now we can set up the alarm clock. We can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the options, and first option we have is status. Here we can turn on and turn off the alarm clock by switching it from on to off or off to on. Then we can scroll to time, and here we can set the time on which the alarm should activate. So select time, press the start button, and now we can set the hours. Then press the start button to jump 2 minutes. Then press the start button to jump to AM or PM. And then press the start button and press it again to confirm. Next option we have is repeat. We can select it, press start, and here we can select on which days the alarm is gonna be active. If it's off, the alarm will only ring once. Then we can select daily, so it's gonna ring every day. Weekdays, of course, on weekdays, weekends on weekends. And we have also a custom option. And if you select it, you can basically turn on and turn off specific days. So you can, for example, Thursday, Tuesday, and Sunday, like that. And then you can go back and the repeat is gonna be on custom days. Last, below repeat rather, we have sounds, and we can select which types of sounds are gonna be emitted when the alarm clock is going off rather. And we have tone, which is the sound. We have vibration, which the watch will vibrate, and also we have both. Select the one you like, then press the start. Next we have backlight, and we can turn it on or turn it off. Then we have label, and here we can select the label for our alarm, for example, training. And at the bottom we have delete, so if you want to remove the alarm, you can select this option and press delete. Okay, and once you're done setting up the alarm, you can press the back button, and here we have our alarm. You can then add more alarms if you want by scrolling down, tapping on, or rather pressing the start button to add alarm, and then it should add another alarm, as you can see. And to remove the alarm, select the alarm you want to remove, scroll all the way down like I said before, select delete, and press the start button to confirm. And that's how you set up the alarm clocks on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.